Hi, I am here at the Sharma clinic to get my Emsculpt. So I'm going to be doing my glutes for a half hour, and afterwards we're going to do the session for my abs. The first time I came and sat in this chair and she placed the pads on, I was a little bit nervous, but as soon as she started the machine, they start really low, and it's really not that bad. I really enjoyed the treatment. I personally think it's a little relaxing, but I think tattoos are also relaxing, so. I have to look good at my work, and I always had a decent booty, but I really wanted to get that round shape that everybody wants, and so far I'm really happy with the results. So for my abs, I would just like a little bit of definition, and I mean, get rid of a little bit of this fat, you know? One thing I really like about the Emsculpt for my booty is that I kind of do have a little bit of sore knees. So if I can skip the 20,000 squats and just get a treatment of Emsculpt, I will do that any day.